Okay, so once you get here, you will need to just take get. Okay, but since I've already downloaded the app, not to waste your time, you just need to take, I will take launch, but you need to take get. And when you get and you download, you need to launch. When you launch it, it will bring you up to a page up, and it will show you. Now you need to there you will need to create a username and password. Okay, once you're done, it will bring you directly here. Okay, when you're here, you need to take sudo. That's the first thing you need to do whenever you install a Linux distro. You need to update it. Okay, sudo apt -get update. Okay, and then you update your system. You need to input your password, and there we go. Your system will automatically update depending on your internet speed, and then it's gonna take a couple of minutes, and after updating, you can upgrade it for some packages to come. Okay, and once you're done, the next thing you will need to do is to install a desktop environment. So we are going to install that in the next video, and thanks guys for watching, and subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. And then you can leave a comment down below on whatever video you want me to make. So in the next video, I'm going to be installing the desktop environment. But now, since we got Kali Linux on our laptop, we can use the bar now. So the next video, I'm going to install the desktop environment for Kali Linux. Thanks for watching guys. Bye till next time.